The journey begins in the misty highlands, where only the tenderest leaves are hand-picked for quality.
The journey begins in the misty highlands, where only the tenderest leaves are hand-picked for quality.
Withering removes excess moisture, making the leaves pliable for the perfect roll. The CTC process breaks down the leaf cells, releasing the essential oils that define tea's flavor. Consistent granulation ensures every cup of tea brews with equal strength and color. This is where the magic happens. Oxidation transforms the green leaf into rich amber tea.
Timing is everything. Our experts catch the peak aroma before the drying begins.
Hot air locks in the flavor and turns the tea into the dark, crisp grains we recognize.
We remove every stalk and fiber to ensure a pure, smooth brew.
Tea is sorted into different grades, from bold leaves to fine dust for various brewing styles.
Every batch is tasted for brightness, briskness, and body to ensure a masterclass experience. Blending different harvests ensures that every pack delivers the same signature taste you love.
Fine tea grades are packed into high-quality bags for a quick and powerful infusion.
Each bag is stringed and tagged for easy, mess-free brewing. Sealing each bag individually to lock in the aroma and protect it from moisture.
For those who love the ritual, our loose tea is packed in foil to stay garden fresh. The tea is boxed and ready, carrying the essence of the gardens to your home.
The secret to a perfect cup starts with fresh, boiling water. Watch the leaves dance as they release their soul into the water. A splash of milk adds a velvety richness for a classic morning blend.
Sweeten to your liking to balance the bold strength of the tea.
Stirred to perfection, the perfect cup is now ready. We ensure every box is traceable, maintaining safety and trust. From our gardens to the world, the journey is almost complete.
One sip, and you're there. Experience the pure taste of nature in every cup.